Come test drive the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, speed control, dynamic cruise control, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.